This time we're gonna use an activity to save our data. So we're gonna start with creating a data type, customer information. We're gonna add 2 fields, username and password of text type. Save. Go to our case lifecycle, configure view, add field. We're going to add sign up information as embedded data since it's data from the user. Single record, customer information. Submit. My goal is to be able to click sign up now, and then we enter a username and passwords and then save in the data type. So in our database. At this moment in time, this is not actually happening. So if I click some letters, click create, and then go to our data type, customer information, and records, we don't see any records in here. So we're going to do this with an activity. So we're going to go to records, technical, create, and the type activity, label activity for login, apply to class, our customer application, create and open. And if we go click with the down arrow in methods, we see a bunch of different methods, and we're going to use the page new one. So we're going to create a new page, and we need to add our new data page as well. So new data page, and the class is going to be our customer information class. And for step name, we're going to use our new page. So I'm going to copy this page. So creating a new page for description, and description might be important so that someone else might be able to read your code and understand what's going on. We add another step, property set, because we want to set our properties from one property to another. So for example, name is supposed to be copied into name and so on. And we're going to click this little arrow, and then we can set our properties. And the property name is our page and password. And the value is what value our customer gives us. So primary, since it's the current page, and we have, let's see, sign up and password in our data page again, and username and primary, sign up, username. So now we've set our properties, but we also need to save them. So Obj-Save. And where do we want to save it? We want to save it to our new page. Set property values. And save properties into new page. If we click the arrow again, we'll get some method parameters here. And selecting this box actually makes it so that you save, or it causes the system to write over the information into the database. And I'll add a link to where you can read up on which one to pick for whatever reason you need to pick them. We save this, and you're always going to get warnings when you're creating an activity. And now we need to go to our flow action. Let's see. Process, flow action. Since we want something to happen whenever we click submit. So when we've entered the information in here, we click submit, and we want something to happen after we have entered the information. And these are called flow actions. This is the pre-processing flow action, and this is the post-processing flow action. So in the flow action, we're going to add our activity as a post-processing action. So run activity and activity for login. Save. And now we're going to add a username. So Bubba and password. Continue. And we go to our customer information, and we have our username and password.